Morning. So I have this habit. I do a lot of the laundry. So I like to just walk whenever I need a break. I'll just walk out the back door and go do a bit of exploring because you have these trees here and the creek and it's just really pretty.
And the mullein.
And the mullein. And I like to do a little bit of foraging while I'm at it. So this morning I've got some rose hips. And I found some usnea. It's also called old man's beard, and you'll have to excuse the dirty fingernails. I was exploring and playing. So here, show that up close. I'm gonna show them. You gotta do this gently, but it's very stretchy. Here, it doesn't have to be too close, just so they can see. Where should I brew it? I wanted this to do it properly. Okay, so here, this is a good place. The out part, just wait, Haya. You're very careful.
And we like
Oops, you can pull the outer part off and you've got this strong, there it is. There's a nice cord running through it. And it's very fuzzy and bright green.
And we make this into tea.
Yep.
Tea.
I love to forage usnea right after the rain because it soaks up all of the water and it turns a bright green. So it's a lot easier to find and you'll find bits of it laying all over the ground. So I think that's the best time to get it because you don't want to over harvest usnea. It grows on trees, but it takes a long time to grow.
There's a big wad right there.
Yep, there is. I've been watching that. Every time it rains, it grows, swells up. Do a little bit of this now. Focusing. This one's just kind of breaking a little bit. You can see the core there.
It's stretchy.
It's very stretchy. It's fun to play with. You got some mullein in your tea?
I picked a lot more mullein, and so I got chunks of it. Can you show us the mullein plant? And look, mullein, a little bit.
Can I put this part in my tea?
Mullein, it's kind of mullein, yeah.
Okay, because I was going to pick some mullein for my tea. We've got mullein, rose hips, usnea.
Then we have old man's beard.
Yep. I did see over here. This was fun to see. There's a dandelion flower that must have bloomed when we had that a few days of warm weather.
What is it?
It's a dandelion.
Yeah, a dandelion.
What, Nay? Yeah, they really like it for some reason.
What locust tree?
You can pause it here.
I like that.
And then I decided today I'll also add some juniper berries. Whenever I go out here, I like to look for little things to add to my tea. But today, I decided I was going to be doing more.
Even mullein. What is
even
that?
mullein. It's almost always.
What is that?
These are juniper berries.
Help me get a juniper.
Here's one. I'll pick you up in a minute, but my hand's full of stuff right now.
Can I get you something?
Yeah, you can get some from the lower branches. I almost always do rose hips because there's a lot of them around here, as well as the mullein. Those things are just always here. And then very often, just wait a minute, buddy. That's an oak gall.
Oh, it's an oak gall?
Yeah.
Oak gall.
You can go dry it out and put it in Mom's jar. Just put it on her shelf.
No, it's not breaking.
Yep, it's pretty hard, isn't it?
There's tons of these. Hey, look, this is a
red. This rose hips.
Look.
Yep, very pretty.
Bright red.
I love rose hips. They're so beautiful.
This is a big. Hey, this is.
Turn it off.
What is this? And some are not whole oak galls. Then you got some mullein here. And then that's our chimney. And then there's a fire. But it's not in our house. And then it's in our barn and we have fields. But bye. Now video go. Ooh, there's a lot of bright red.
Yep.
A tiny bit. So how we'll get some, we'll have to, oh, this is a good way. But we'll try not. Here's a big pile of rose hips.
A big pile of them?
Yeah.
Nice.
Come here.
In a minute.
Oh, some juices on me. Come here. When I'm done picking them, I'll show you.
Okay, just a minute. Do you make foraging walk teas? It's one of my favorite things to do. It just feels, I don't know, so adventurous and interesting to see what you can find to make a tea with. Ours stay pretty much the same because of what we can find in our area, but every once in a while we find something that makes it a bit more unique. Yeah.
We do that.
Oh, every week we do that?
Sometimes a week we don't push these roses, but this week we'll push roses. Is this a bad rosehip? Is it a little bit bad?
I don't know, what color is it?
The cool one, look. It's so yellow.
It is.
Yeah, it's so pretty. Look, they're different colors.
They're very pretty. Different shades of orange and red.
Yeah, I found these rocks and there's little different colors like the rainbow inside, but mostly pink.
Nay, look.
And this one's like a plain colored one. It's like a pink. But it has stones in it. This one's smooth. Nice.
Look, and look, the
Orange and red.
color.
No, not really. But I found this little pink rock and then this
I'm
one
gonna come in
with red inside.
Come here, there's more. There's a bunch more of them. There's a bunch more of roses. There's a bunch more of roses. I'm gonna go back where it was.
Here, Simeon, can you carry these back when it's done?
Come on, come here.
A little bit yellow. It is two little bit yellow ones, but one's a lot yellow. Here's one. Why aren't you letting me have it, Stones? The stones are letting me have it. They're just poking me. Now I got it. Oh, it's same as the yellow, because the two have stems. Now I got some more rose hips. Got enough rose hips. Oopsie. I accidentally dropped them. Pick me up over there.
Okay.
I'm right over there.
Okay, run over to the left. Get it.
And then
Oh, no. Yeah. Because it's not deep.
okay. You want it? Okay, I got that.
Joe, there's a red cardinal. I just scared away a red cardinal.
What?
Jelly mushrooms. I'll bring it to you. I didn't drink mine when I added everything. Everything seasoning.
Smells good. For the tea.